Good morning kids, Sairam. So today we are going to make a badge. So craft badge we are going to make. So here we start badge. See how? See like this badge. So like this badge we are going to make. So all this material you require. See even I am writing Fevicol scissor. So the strips you need I am writing 12 centimeter 4 strips. So this you can take any color. I am taking green color, 12 centimeter 4 strips. You can take any color. So these are green. So you can take any color. Now another color I am using yellow. You can use any two color of your choice. So this measurement of this is 16 centimeter. And this also we need 4 strips. Okay, so 12 centimeter 4 strips and 16 centimeter 4 strips. First I am taking 16 centimeter. Fold in half. ये 16 centimeter. Fold in half. So you will get a middle line of division. So apply Fevicol on middle part. Apply Fevicol. Don't apply more. And from both the sides stick till middle line. See like this, both the sides stick till middle line, and you have to press little only. You have to press from other side. So stick like this, stick till middle part and press it from one end. So like this, other 3 strips also you have to do in the same way. One more I will show. Again take another strip, fold in very same way. Again you have to do in the same way. Fold in half, then apply Fevicol in middle. Apply Fevicol in middle, then stick both the ends till middle line like this. And hold when you stick till middle line, hold for some time so it will get sticked properly. So both the ends stick till middle line and press from both the side little. See like this. So other strips also you have to fold in the same way. All 8 strips you have to fold in the same way. See I have all folded already yellow strips in the same way, that is 16 centimeter strips folded in the same way. Now take 12 centimeter, that are the smaller strips. So this small strips again we are going to fold in the same way. So this 4 strips 12 centimeter strips, this also you have to do in the same way. Fold in half. So again small strips, that is 12 centimeter strips, do in the same way. Fold in half, then apply Fevicol on middle part. And stick both the ends till middle line and press it from other side little like this. So it will look like this. Again other strips also you will do in the same way. Fold in half, apply Fevicol in middle and stick both the ends till middle line like this. Okay, so all the 4 strips you will do in the same way. Okay, see I have already done all the 4 strips in the same way. Now take all the strips folded take all the folded. Now see how I am sticking. See, take first big wala strip. This is 16 centimeter strip I am taking. Apply Fevicol in middle and you have to stick another in the plus sign. So this you have to stick in the plus sign. Cross. Now again apply Fevicol in middle. Now stick in the middle gap. Slanting from right side, now slanting from left side, now from other side. So like this you have to stick all the 4 strips. Now take the small strips, 12 centimeter strips that we have folded. This also you will stick. See where I am sticking first. I will show you the line. First apply Fevicol in middle. Now see, I will point out where you have to stick. See, in this gap you have to stick. See how you will place. Like this you have to place your paper in the gaps. You have to fill the gaps. Okay. Now again apply Fevicol. Now see which gap I am using. See this gap. Okay. Now again stick another paper there. Now this gap straight. Apply Fevicol and then stick like this. Then again apply Fevicol and last gap. We will fill last gap. Like this. So like this we have sticked all the strips. Okay, now this keep aside. Like this it will look. This keep aside. Now you will require one more 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter strip. So here you have to take one more yellow, that is 16 centimeter strip. Yellow, that is 16 centimeter strip. One more you have to take. Now this also fold in half. And don't stick. Now here you have to cut. Okay, so here you have to cut in 2 equal parts. Now both the strip you have to do in the same way. Fold in half. This cutted 2 strips you have to do in the same way. Fold in half. Apply Fevicol in middle. And stick both the ends. Like this. Stick both the ends like this. Okay, so like this both the strips you have to do in the same way. Only 2 strips here, only 2 strips. Now this you have to stick in middle. So this you can stick anyway. Just 1 and 2. Only 2 you have to stick here. See, like this cross. In cross way you have to stick. So like this it will look. Now take one small strip, 12 centimeter strip. So here take one more green, that is 12 centimeter strip. You can use any 2 color of your choice. Okay. Now this you have to do different. Don't do in the same way. This also fold in half. And cut in 2 parts. This also cut in 2 parts. First cut in 2 parts, 2 equal parts, and then at one side, at one end you have to cut V shape. See how I am cutting. If you can't cut, tell your parents to cut this part, otherwise you will get hurt with scissors. See, like this. Another paper, another strip also you have to cut one end in V shape. Cut one end at V shape. See, like this. If you can't cut, tell your parents to cut. Okay, now see, like this, two strips you have to cut. Now do back side of batch. On the back side of batch, see where I am applying Fevicol. See properly where I am applying Fevicol. There you have to stick this to strips. There you have to stick this to strips over. So like this our badge will look. Okay, so is it looking very beautiful, right? Hope you enjoy. See, here I have made two. Okay, hope you enjoy. Bye.